Hello food lovers! Today we're making roasted cauliflower soup. It's simple, healthy and so delicious. Roasting the cauliflower gives it a sweet, nutty flavor. This soup is perfect for a chilly evening. This soup is also very versatile. You can enjoy it as is or add toppings for extra flavor and texture. Let's get started! Here's what you'll need to make this comforting soup. 1 large head of cauliflower, cut into florets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 4 cups vegetable broth, half a cup heavy cream, optional for extra richness. Get your ingredients ready. This will make the cooking process smoother. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss the cauliflower florets with olive oil, salt and pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet. Roast for about 25 to 30 minutes or until tender and golden brown. While the cauliflower is roasting, prepare the soup base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, saute the chopped onion and minced garlic in a little olive oil until softened. Once the cauliflower is roasted, add it to the pot with the onions and garlic. Pour in the vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Now it's time to blend. You can use an immersion blender or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. If you like a richer soup, stir in the heavy cream at the end. Ladle the hot soup into bowls. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, a drizzle of olive oil, or some crunchy croutons. To make the soup ahead of time, let it cool completely and store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat it gently on the stovetop when you're ready to serve. Enjoy your comforting and flavorful roasted cauliflower soup.